What is up guys, I hope you all are having a great day. My name is Mars and in this video I'll be showing you the full tutorial on Audacity and how to make your voice better and perfect without the need of having a really professional microphone. So without wasting any time, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So first of all, we will open Audacity and open a new project. So as you can see in the project window, we've got this interface which will be the main project sample, or you can say the project recording area, and on the top we have got some options like the pause, play, stop, rewind, forward and recall buttons, and some other details that you don't need to go in detail, but if you want you can go with them. Like if you want to monitor your audio or hear the sound of your speakers, this is how you monitor all these things. And the other things are the volume of recording and output, and some cut, copy and paste options. So first thing that you must keep in mind while recording is that the project rate should be at 4.1 kilohertz, or you can say 44,100 megahertz. And if you're recording really professional music and are having some jingles or guitars in the background, so you can go up to 96,000 or 99 or 9.6 kilohertz. So that will be pretty good and would not disturb your interface and work. So now let's head on to the tutorial. So first of all, what you need to keep in mind is that always open a new project after you have done everything. So you can save a project here and export and import. There are all the basic options that you see in every program. So let's record a short clip of me showing you the tutorial and let's edit it to make it way better. One thing I forgot to tell you is that you must leave at least 3 to 5 seconds of no voice gap to collect all the noise in your background. So it really helps in removing the background noise clearly and it is very efficient. So let's start again, and we're going to leave about 3 seconds of starting so that we can collect all the noise. What is up guys, hope you all are having great. This is a test audio for the Audacity tutorial that we're going to be editing. So that's it, and let's start editing. So as you can see, this is the whole audio clip, and in the beginning we have left the gap. So before we do anything, let's first clear the noise. So if you select this from right here and go all the way, from here to here, then we will go to the effects section and go to noise reduction. And you don't want to click on OK. First of all, you need to get the noise profile. After that, you can either click here or press Ctrl+ A on your keyboard to select the whole audio clip, and press Ctrl+ R to do the noise reduction. As you can see, the spikes reduced. Now press Ctrl+ R to completely reduce the noise. And for a bit better removal of noise, I press this thrice so that I can really get a noise-free environment. After you've done this, you can cut the audio that is not needed, and then let's start on the main audio. So as you can see, these are all the spikes that you can hear right now. So let me show you a review. What is up guys, I hope you all are having great. This is a test audio for the Audacity. So as you can see, this was that everything. So for example, let's say we want to cut this part. So what we're going to do is select this and just press delete on our keyboard, and it's gone. No need to do anything else. So the first thing that I like to do is to make the voice more punchy and stand out is just select the whole clip, go to effects and head over to compressor. So compressor, what basically it does is that it makes your voice stand out, makes it bold and makes it punchy. So let's apply it. You don't need to change any settings, they are perfect for every voice. So after applying it, as you can see, it also compresses the voice to match the low and the high pitch. So it really makes a huge effect on the audio. So let's start it. What is up guys, I hope you all are having great. This is a test audio that we're going to be editing. So that's it, and let's start it. So as you can see, the voice is not bursting at the point right here. Whereas in the beginning it was bursting and was not really good and it distorted a lot. So now if you want to reduce the gap between some things, we can use the delete key and some things like this. And the second thing that I like to do is to make my voice stand out even a bit more by applying the equalization and going to bass boost. What bass boost actually does is that it increases the bass and makes your voice a bit heavy, which results in bold and punchy voice. As you can see, the mics increased a bit, and after that again go to equalization, head over to the treble boost, and this time in the select curves, and you can even change your curve if you want to, but I prefer it at the default settings as it is pretty good and helps a lot. So let's select treble boost and click OK. Now as you can see, the voice will change.
What is up guys, I hope you all are having great. This is a test audio that we're going to be editing.
As you can see, the audio still here is a bit burst, so the solution for this is not really good. And the thing that you can do is that you can distort your voice, but I would not do this for the sake of the tutorial as it really takes some precise controls and a long time. So if you want to avoid these burst voices and distorted voices, all you need to do is stay a little bit away from your mic. This was the mistake that I made, but that's all for the tutorial. And the final thing that you can do is go to effects and just click normalize so that it completely standardizes and normalizes all the pitches and it becomes a more stable voice.
What is up guys, I hope you all are having great.
You can see it also decreases the distorted of the voice. So that was all for the tutorial. I hope you had a great time watching the video, and basically this is the perfect way that you can get a perfect sample of your audio, whether you're recording for a video or a voiceover or even a podcast. This software is pretty good and these configurations are really good. Some other features that you might want to know would be the high pass filter and the low pass filter, as they remove the high pitches and the low frequencies of the sound, but it goes in depth of music feel, so you don't need to bother it. So that was all for today's video guys. Now I showed you how you can improve your voice if you do not have a professional microphone, and plus you can also get some pretty results out of this software. And a new tutorial on Adobe Audition will be also coming soon, as it is also a great software for recording audio, but my current permanent software is Audacity. So that rounds up today's video guys. I hope you had a good time watching the video, and if you really liked the video, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, and if you loved it, please be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. My name is Mars, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye bye.